Oh yeah, time to go outside and check out our newly arrived shipment. Let's go see what we just got in. Okay, check it out. 2 pallets of king boxes, center consoles, and enclosures. If you've been looking for a center console or are looking for a great subwoofer enclosure, make sure to visit our website, bigjeffaudio.com, and check out the King Boxes collection. Now, let's walk back to the warehouse so we can unwrap this pallets and get a better look at what we just got. Big Jeff Audio, we are always getting new products, restocking, and looking for the best deals for our customers while we walk. Let me also tell you, we have the best customer service, super fast shipping, and always the best deals. As you can see, we got a big shipment from our friends at King Boxes. Let me tell you, this center consoles and subwoofer enclosures are top of the line, rhino coated and made to fit perfectly. The King Boxes center consoles enclosures will take your car audio to the next level, especially on those Chevrolet, Dodge, Ford, GMC, Jeep, and Toyota trucks. But don't be fooled, they also have other products and we have them available on our website. Make sure to swing by and check our King Boxes collection. As I told you before, if you are looking for a great product, really affordable, trust me, you can't even make one yourself for less than what we sell these for. Hey, check this camera shot out. I'm getting fancy here. Oh, but no, seriously, check out King Boxes on our website, bigjeffaudio.com today, and take your ride to the next level. I'll see you on the next one.